Can we guess what's in the envelope? No guesses? Okay, I'll just tell you. Dun, 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 dun. I got my business degree. I graduated undergrad in 2021 with a degree in political science and a minor in social entrepreneurship. Mind you, I went into college pre-med and I was going to become a neurosurgeon. When I got to college, I realized I actually did not want to become a doctor and I was so lost. After completing undergrad, the plan was supposed to be law school, but I just knew in my heart I did not want to go to law school. That just wasn't for me. Thank the Lord, I found crocheting again at the end of 2021 and that's when I started my business. Since then, I've always known I've wanted to work for myself. I want to live life according to Lewa. It's Lewa's world and your world should be your world too, you know, insert name here. After starting to struggle a little with my business, I was like, maybe it would benefit me to, I don't know, go learn about what I'm trying to do. So I applied to business school, got in, and I graduated. Yay me! My mom was really happy about that because she was just like, girl, do something, get a job, go to school. Now here we are in 2025 and my business is thriving again. We thank God. I am post-grad yet again and I actually have an idea of what I want to do with myself and what I want to do with life from here on out. My graduation was honestly so low-key for me because when I graduated undergrad, I graduated during COVID, so I didn't get a physical graduation and it was just like, wow, I put in all this effort to go to this college, do all of this, and I don't even get the big celebration at the end. So this degree just meant so much more to me because this is something that I actually plan on using and applying. I was so happy to graduate. I was so happy to learn. I loved what I was learning and I want to celebrate this degree. My graduation gift to myself is a trip.
Here, hold the sign.
Yeah. Yeah.
Period. Big head. It's a big head.
Yeah.
Okay. Because I was in business school last year, I did not get to travel as much as I wanted to. I did get to travel for my birthday because I love my birthday and I went to Mexico City. What a time I had in Mexico City. I had such a good time. I loved it so much that I decided I want to go again, but this time I will be going by myself. So I will be crocheting things to wear for my trip. Last week, I made this really, really cute hat using a bunch of different colors, using also the smallest hook I owned. While I was making it, I already knew that I wanted to make some more because it was so cute. And I think it's the perfect vacation vibe. So the first thing I want to make is the splash bucket hat. I have this skirt that I thrifted literally specifically for this trip because it just screams vacation. It screams tropical, right? I don't want to be too matchy, but I think a hat that matches this skirt would be cute, or at least that I could wear with this skirt. It doesn't have to use only these colors, but incorporating these colors would be cute. I still have this entire kit of yarn colors to choose from, so let me pick my starting 5. This lemon color, this orange, this gold. I think I like this green. I didn't use it in the last hat. I'm gonna do this green. This red is aggressively red and I don't think I want to do that. Maybe I can get away with this burgundy red. What is it called? It's called Current. No, I actually don't think I can get away with it. I think I'm gonna do this green too. All right, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this 6. This is another shade of green. This is actually perfect because I have to do 36 rounds. So I'll just do each color 6 times. I really hope this doesn't turn out ugly. Let's try to make this hat. Sometimes I'm so into crocheting and hours pass and I don't realize it and I'm like, oh, I should probably eat. I'm currently taking a snack break. I'm eating some apples. It's actually been a lot more difficult, I think, working with less colors because it's like I just have to repeat the same colors so many times. And I'm low-key running out of the orange, which is crazy. I didn't think I would be like running out of any of these colors anytime soon. It's looking pretty good so far, and I think it matches the skirt very well. I'm actually only working with 5 colors right now. I decided like that other shade of green was a little too bright. I was considering adding that red, but again, I think it's too fiery. So this is a very cool tone hat, and I'm hoping like once it's done, it just looks good because of the cohesiveness. Like, I hope so, because this is low-key a lot of work. This is like 2 hours worth of work, bro. It would be really cool though if I could get this done tonight so then I can like start working on something else tomorrow, cause baby, Mexico, 6 days. First of all, I like the colors. I like where this is going. Maybe working with the 2mm hook isn't so bad. I'm very surprised that I've actually been able to just stick to these 5 colors. Like, this is showing a lot of strength, resilience. But anyways, this orange is almost done. So I did buy like a really big skein of orange because they didn't have like mini skeins that weren't like a package. Also, I'm really glad I got this box set last week because I went to Hobby Lobby today and there's no more. Isn't that crazy? I would have been out of luck. Yeah, this orange is almost done. Let's see if I actually end up finishing it though. I am on round 21 now. The single crochets be wanting to take me out. I literally called this, I just ran out of the orange. And I was so close to finishing my row. I was a little scared. I was like, what if the orange is a different shade? But it's from the same brand and it's just literally just a really big skein of the same thing. Strong and durable. Use this specially formulated thread to crochet doilies. This yarn is for doilies, but it says it can be used to make bedspreads, scarves, shawls, necklaces. Wow, this feels so nice. This is the perfect time for me to use this. Oh, there we go. It's the little things that excite me. Still on round 21.
Tomorrow.
I've made some progress on my hat, which is great, amazing. Look at this though. Right here. Is this it? Yep. Let me tell you what happened. I was crocheting with the lemon color and I ran out of yarn in the middle of the row. So I was like, let me just continue with green. Nobody's gonna be able to tell. It's not gonna be a big deal. It is so obvious. Like, it is so obvious. And I did like 4 more rows after that too. Silly me. I did the right thing and I went and got the colors that ran out, but the bigger skeins of them. Because honestly, I probably would have gotten the kit again, but there's no more of the kit. So I just had to get the full skeins. So I ran out of both of these. So now I have to unravel these last like 4 rows, finish the lemon row with the actual right color, and then finish the hat. I don't think that's gonna take too long. At least I hope not. I'm honestly not too worried about that because I feel like I can get this done pretty quickly. Like, I'm basically almost done. The color match with the skirt though is absolutely insane. Like, it matches perfectly.